Did you know that almost every living thing on Earth depends on a process happening silently inside plant leaves right now? Plants have an amazing ability to make their own food using sunlight, and this process is called photosynthesis. In simple words, photosynthesis means putting together using light. Green plants use sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and a green pigment called chlorophyll to produce food. This process mainly happens in the leaves because they contain chlorophyll, which captures sunlight energy. For photosynthesis to happen, plants need four main ingredients: sunlight from the sun, water absorbed through roots, carbon dioxide taken from the air through tiny openings called stomata, and chlorophyll inside the leaves. The process begins when roots absorb water from the soil and transport it to the leaves through xylem vessels. At the same time, leaves take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Chlorophyll then captures sunlight energy, which powers chemical reactions inside the plant cells. During these reactions, water and carbon dioxide combine to create glucose, which is the plant's food, while oxygen is released into the atmosphere as a byproduct. The photosynthesis equation can be explained simply as carbon dioxide plus water, in the presence of sunlight, producing glucose and oxygen. This process is extremely important because it provides oxygen for humans and animals to breathe, forms the foundation of almost every food chain, removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and supports life on Earth. Without photosynthesis, plants could not survive, animals would lose their food sources, and oxygen levels would decrease dramatically. Interestingly, photosynthesis is not limited to land plants. Algae and other organisms in oceans also perform photosynthesis and contribute a huge portion of Earth's oxygen supply. So, every time you see a green plant, remember that it is working like a natural factory, converting sunlight into energy and supporting life all around us. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this animation and learned something new, please like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to my channel for more educational content. See you in the next video, and thank you for your support.